It's Teresa Collins. Today I want to do a video on why I'm so passionate about telling the story. One of the lines that I did and actually revised again is "Hello, my name is." And I did that because I want everyone to know the story. And sometimes we think of it as just as paper, or, you know, if you're scrapbooking, that it's that beautiful paper, and I so get it. And I always say that, you know, if you're inspired to create because of the paper, that's exciting. But what I also want is for you to look at the paper and find meaning and document who you are. I started scrapbooking and crafting because my mother had passed away unexpectedly, and I realized it was too late. I couldn't go back and ask her so many questions. And about 2 years before my mother passed away, I was 29 years old, and I had a stroke with my last baby. And it changed my life. It made me realize that your life can change in a moment. And so I've always used my design degree to hopefully, you know, design things that people love, but also it's about the meaning. And so "Hello, my name is" was the perfect fit when JoAnn had told me that they wanted to debut this line. And I was so touched, and I knew that the story needed to be out there. If you're not telling your story, maybe it's for your husband, your son, your mother, your father, your grandmother, because you will forget. You'll forget the details. And one of the best things I did is when my mom passed away was to start documenting and writing things down. And I'm so glad I did that, because now it's all these years later, and I honestly have forgotten a lot of those things. So one of the things that I did was with this collection here, you can see the papers, and one of the things that I want to challenge you is when you are, you know, thinking about projects that matter. To me, what matters most is telling the story. This is just one of the paper pads. I love this one. It says "Hello, my name is." But one of the papers, I know this is like very, very quick, but I wanted to show this one right here, because this is the tag paper, and you get 12 tags. And what I really love about it is it says "Live every day with gratitude. For the record. Friends, your childhood memories. Live life now. Keep calm. This is me." That's really what it's about. Is telling the story and who you are. And, you know, recently with everything I've been going through with my husband and this cancer, I just, every day we're just battling, and we're fighting it. And I'm just so grateful. And I realize that the time is now to tell your story and to help others. And so I designed all of these collections with that in mind, even the sticker sheet, you know. And one of the things I love about this, it's 139 pieces, and it's "You're my happy," 365, "Dare to be you," "Keep it real," "Find joy in the simple things," "Remember this," "A charmed life," and so that you can really document and tell your story, because no one can tell your story like you can. I can't do it for you. And when I had my stroke, it really changed me to the core of not only just being grateful for every day, but wanting, you know, I thought of my 4 children, that I had 4 children. I was pregnant with my 5th baby, and I thought about them and if they would remember me. And so I was just truly thankful that this was the line that they decided to debut, because truly life is to be celebrated and to be remembered. And I hope that you will take the time to document you and your life.